Hi, this is Anthony with a review and demo of Video Skins, which is a web-based software that allows you to brand your videos. So first let me share some of the key features of Video Skins and then I will show you a quick demo. So Video Skins allows you to take video marketing to the next level, by adding clickable call to action buttons right inside your videos. You can add clickable links that allow you to share social media buttons so users can connect, like, share, or tweet. You can generate leads with lead capture forms right inside your videos. You can even insert countdown timers inside your videos. And there is so much more. You can even customize all these elements, which I'll show you in a moment. So you essentially log into your account to start creating your video skins, and then you will see your dashboard displaying some of the video stats based on the videos that you've created. Obviously what I've done is I tested this and then I just deleted all the videos because I was start from scratch. You will also see a list of all the video skins and the ones that you've created, and then you can organize them in groups. So the create new section is where you create new video skins, and I'll get to this in a moment. You will find helpful tutorials under the knowledge base section, and under settings you will be able to change your email and password. And finally, if you need help, you can use the contact support. So now let me just show you a quick demo. Okay, so to create a new video skin, go to this section that says create new, and then you'll be brought to this section right here. So I'm going to be using a YouTube video for this example, so just drop this down and choose. You can choose YouTube, Amazon S3, or use an embed code. So I'm going to be choosing the YouTube one. In this section you just paste the YouTube video URL and then give it a name. I'm just going to call this Explain Dio 2.0 review. And then if you created a group, you can select this. I'm not going to do that right now. And then under the status, just click or choose published. Then click next. And then in this section right here, you need to choose a video skin. There are 20 templates here, but you can also create your own. For simplicity's sake, I'm going to choose just one of these templates here, and I'm going to go with this one right here. So you just hover your mouse and then just click that add button. And once you do that, you will see that the video will be imported. And don't worry about how it looks. It looks a little elongated, as you can see here, but don't worry about that. Everything can be customized. So in this section right here to the left is where you've got all your elements that can be added to the video. So for example, it's the play button. As you can see, there is no play button on the video, but the play button is right here. There's like a bar right at the bottom to control the play, a pause, and then of course the volume and all that stuff. But again, this all depends on what player you use, but again, like I said, you can customize everything. So this one right here, in this example, I'm just going to show you a couple of things. So for example, this one right here is a social button. So as you can see, you need to basically drag and drop, not just click. You need to drag and then you basically just drop it there. So as you can see, it just automatically drags. But as you can see right now, because the background of the video is sort of black, you cannot see this, right? So if you scroll at the bottom, you'll see a whole bunch of settings that you can choose, or different types of as you can see, I'm going to choose one like this one, and as you can see now, it's much more visible, right? Now the good thing about this is when you embed this, once you've completed it and you embed it on your blog or website, these are all clickable links. So for this example, like I'm showing you the Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Pinterest, you obviously do not need to include all of them, but down below here, you basically just include all your links to the various social networks. Okay, so once you have your links for the various social networks, you can click save. But I just wanted to quickly mention that, for example, if you do not enter the link for, let's just say, YouTube in here, then the YouTube buttons are going to show up here. It's sort of intuitive. So if you just enter Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, only those three buttons are going to show up. The YouTube one won't show up. And what you want to do is, in case, for example, if I leave this blank, the time, it's going to play, or it's going to show throughout the video. If you want it to appear at a specific time, like I mentioned, you would enter from and to. And now bear in mind that this time here is in seconds. So for example, if you want to show it 30 seconds in, it would be 30 seconds to whatever, right? Or if it's from 1 minute onwards, it would be 60 seconds, and so on. So then you essentially just save this, and once you save it, it basically saves it into your dashboard. And you can do a quick preview to see what it looks like by clicking this preview button. And let me just click that, and as you can see, it'll start playing the video there you go. And as you can see, all those buttons are showing up right there. They're live. And to embed the video to your website or blog, you click on this embed code button, and it will give you this embed code. Just copy that, Control C, and you can then go to your website or blog. This is just an HTML editor. It would be this pretty much the same thing. You go to the HTML editor in HTML mode, and then just paste that code in there. And then if you preview it, you will see that it's right there, and it'll actually start playing. And as you can see, the buttons show up right there. Okay, so let me show you a couple more examples. So one of the other elements that you can add to the video are opt-in forms. So this one right here has got a icon that looks like a paper plane. If you click on it and just scroll down, you will notice that it's got a whole bunch of settings there that you can change. There are a couple of forms that you can include. If you check, just watch this section right here. When I check this box, as you can see, it includes this opt-in form. The other one, form 2, basically covers the whole video, and again, it's got two fields there. It allows you to customize pretty much the color, the size, the font, and whatnot. And right at the bottom right here, under option form settings, you can depending on which vendor you've got, Aweber, MailChimp, GetResponse, and a whole bunch of others, as you can see, you can basically connect them to the specific provider. And then it works on the same principle. Once you include the form in there, whichever it is, you basically embed the code, and you can, as I said, include multiple elements. As in, you can have, earlier I showed you the social buttons. You can have the social buttons plus this form. Maybe you want to put this form right towards the end of the video, or somewhere where you want a call to action. Okay, so let me show you one more example. This one right here, like I said earlier, I will create separate tutorials to show you, how to work with all these different elements. But for this example, I'm going to work with this button. So this one right here, that's got its arrow, allows you to insert a button on the video. So for example, if you just drag and drop that here, as you can see, you've got a button. It's a clickable button that can be, you can customize it, and that button, you can link it to whatever, a website, a blog, or a separate URL that you want it to be redirected to, right inside the video. And as you can see, if I scroll right at the bottom here, you can change the shape, the size. Let's just say, I want to work with this one right here. As you can see right now, it's green, but if I scroll down to the bottom, I can change that. First of all, let's just say I want the text to be click here, and then I can change the font. I can change the color of the text. Right down in this box, I can change the color. Let's just say, I want it to be maybe red or orange, or whatever it is. Orange it is. And if I scroll up, as you can see, now it's been changed. The text has been changed, the color, and the font. And the beauty of it is, in this box right here that says link, I can copy and paste any link. Let's just say it's to my website or blog, or a separate URL where I want the person to download something. you can link it to whatever you wanted. And down in these two boxes, like I mentioned earlier, you can make this button appear at a specific time during the video. This is again, like I said earlier, in seconds. So if it's like 1 minute in, it'll be 60 seconds to whatever. Okay, if you leave it blank, it's going to show up throughout the video. Okay, now the beauty of this again is you can have various elements. You're not limited to the number of elements, but of course you want to be cognizant of the fact that you don't want to overload this and make it too crowded. And then you want to, once you're satisfied with the thing, you just click save. You can preview it here, and you get the embed code right here. So as you can see, this piece of software is very versatile. You can use it for call to action. If you're an affiliate marketer or internet marketer, this is very, very powerful, for you, as well as if you're in business and you're, creating videos to promote your business, or you're doing it for creating videos for your clients. This is an invaluable tool. As you know, video is one of the fastest growing and increasing in popularity in terms of the internet, and you want to use the power of video and leverage from it. And you can add a whole bunch of different types of overlays, like I said. For example, even an image. This one right here allows you to add an image and again link it to a specific website. This one right here, you can include a countdown timer. This one right here allows you to include text. But hope that gives you a good idea of the power of this software and how you can use it to leverage from it for your business. Well, hope that gave you a good look at the versatility of video skins. These are some of the launch prices, and they obviously may be different by the time you see this video. So the basic package gives you personal commercial rights, but is limited to 3 videos, 2 groups, and 3 video skins with basic support. The unlimited user package gives you personal commercial rights and is basically gives you unlimited number of videos, unlimited video groups, over 20 video skins, and premium support. And finally, the developer rights package gives you a license to create video skins for your clients with unlimited number of videos, unlimited video groups, and over 20 video skins with premium support. There were a whole bunch of bonuses, early bird bonuses, which made this pretty much a no-brainer. Obviously, this was an early bird bonus, so by the time you get to that page, you will probably not see any of those. But even without these bonuses, the software is incredibly useful and powerful for a one-time, lifetime small payment. Generally, from my experience, for this kind of a software, you'd be paying sort of a monthly fee. So I purchased the developer rights package because of its value. So if you want to create one of these branded videos, for yourself, do let me know and I will do my best. Anyway, hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thanks for watching.